Hello, it is Wednesday. It's FOMC day. Saw the market doing some great movement yesterday, but I had told myself that I was not going to trade. To be honest with you, I had a few drinks the night before. Was tired. Wasn't going to happen. So, I felt like trading from my bed today. Kids are heading out tomorrow to go to their dad's until Wednesday or till Sunday. So, here we are. So let's go ahead and check out what's going on. What's going on? Okay, when I don't have my screen with me, I have to do 2 videos. Or my camera with me, I have to do 2 videos. So what do I think is happening here? I actually think we're having a great opportunity for the long to continue up right now. We do have FOMC coming out in just a little while, about 30 minutes. So I kind of want to see what's going to happen right up before that. Otherwise, we're gonna kind of have a chill day. Strong bar down, a weak BB down. Started to slow down for just a moment. I'm not anticipating it to get past this area with this reversal bar. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Okay. It'd be funny. Give us a little reverse bar and go up from here, right? Okay, let's go ahead and look at this. So 4 points, 3, and 3 ticks. I'm gonna wait to write that all up here. You know what? Nah, I'm done for the day. 23 minutes into it. So we're gonna do. Definitely hit my break even. Leaving the risk in play would have kept me in this, but it's not feeling super comfortable at this point. There's why we don't trade right when news starts. That would probably had me out for much bigger than my amount of risk on there. Okay. Well, so this is something, and this is actually a pretty good lesson to learn about FOMC. is, and news in general, is a lot of times it does continue in the direction it was already going, but we'll see some serious spikes before that happens. So it gave us serious spikes to the downside and continued up. Okay, so you can see that the anticipations were definitely correct to take those long trades. But we're gonna call that a day. I got a few more hours to spend with my kiddos before they go to their dads. So I feel like the camera that came with this is like the worst camera on the planet. Anyways, there were definitely some opportunities that I could have taken if I was quick on the draw after that. Trading up until news is never an issue for me. I don't mind. I mean, sometimes I will trade through news. Not typically FOMC. It did slow down. It gave great entries and exit criteria. It did also for the following trades that I didn't feel like taking. So 25 minutes, 7.75 points. We're just going to call that a day right there. But, you know, I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. I may be getting a late start tomorrow because I have late plans this evening. So we'll see if I even trade tomorrow. I definitely should get in something on Friday if it allows, or you know. Someone asked me the other day if I planned on running a room, and honestly, I don't. And let me tell you why. I like my freedom. And I come and trade whenever I feel like it. I don't have a set time. And that's part of, I think, what makes me personally successful, is that I don't strap myself down to certain rules that a lot of other traders do. So as of right now, I don't plan on it. Doesn't mean down the line I might not hire somebody to do it for me. And that would mean a student who knows everything inside and out and that I have seen trading before. So, but anyways, we're going to wrap that up, guys. Hope your Wednesday is fabulous. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.